Hello students, let us solve question number 1 from exercise number 12.3. Find the area of shaded region in the given figure. If PQ equals to 24 centimeter, PR equals to 7 centimeter and O is the center of circle. Let us mention the values in the figure. PQ is 24 centimeter, PR is 7 centimeter and O is the center. We know that angle in semicircle is equals to 90 degree. So angle QPR is equals to 90 degree. Angle QPR is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle QPR is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. In this figure, we need to find out the area of blue colored region. So, we need to subtract area of triangle from area of semicircle. Area of triangle easily we can find out because area of triangle equals to half multiply base multiply height. Base is given, height is given. So easily we can find out. But if you see semicircle, what is the area of semicircle? Area of semicircle is equals to pi r square by 2. But they have not given the radius of this semicircle. So we need to find out the radius. Okay, that can be found by applying Pythagoras property. In triangle PQR, triangle PQR, QR is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to right angle and it is the longest side in this triangle. So by Pythagoras property or Pythagoras theorem, we can write it as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. In this, hypotenuse is QR. So I am writing here QR square and given base is 7 square and perpendicular square, that is 24 square. QR square is equals to 7 square, nothing but 49. 24 square, that is 576. QR square is equals to 625. 625 can be written as 25 square. Therefore, QR equals to 25 centimeter. Let me mention in the figure. We got QR is 25 centimeter. Now, let us find out area of shaded. Therefore, area of shaded is equals to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Pi r square by 2 minus half multiply base multiply by height. Now see, we got here diameter as 25 centimeter. Here I am mentioning here in nearby figure only. In this figure, diameter equal to 25 centimeter. So radius will be 25 by 2 centimeter. Okay, now let's put the values. In this whole exercise, we should take pi value as 22 by 7. So I am writing here 22 by 7 multiply 25 by 2 whole square, whole upon 2 minus half multiply base is given base is 7 centimeter. So I am taking it as 7 multiply 24 is the height. You can see from the figure. 7 is base and height is 24. Next step, 22 by 7 multiply 25 by 2 whole square, nothing but it can be multiplied 2 times. 25 by 2, here 2 by 1 is there, we can take it as 1 by 2. Reciprocal can be taken. Here cutting is there, 2 1s are 2 12s are. So 7 into 12, 84. Now we got the area of triangle as 84 centimeter square. Now let's see cutting here also, 2 1s are 2 11s are. Now after doing all the calculations, we will get area of semicircle as 245.53. Now subtract area of triangle 84 centimeter square from area of sector 245.53 centimeter square. We will get 161.53 centimeter square.